Hello my dear students, inshallah we will talk about a new lesson in geometry. It's called similarity, okay? In this picture we have three dolls, okay? Like this. What do you note? Good. The three dolls here have the same shape but different in size. Also, this picture for this woman, we can print a lot of pictures of it in different sizes, like this, okay? Like this picture, also, and this, okay? This concept in geometry is called similarity. Similarity means that the figures or objects have the same shape but different in size, okay? But in grade 7 we studied before the concept of congruence. What is the meaning, or sorry, what is the difference between congruence and similarity? The congruence means that the figures have the same shape and the same size, and it's denoted by this symbol like this. But similarity means that the objects or figures have the same shape but not necessarily have the same size, like this, and it's denoted by this symbol. The two figures here, this picture similar to it, but this picture is congruent to this figure, okay? Now, similarity of two polygons. The two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if you have two conditions. The first one, their corresponding angles are equal in measure, and number two, their corresponding side lengths are proportional, and must be the two conditions verified together, okay? Now, the polygon ABCD similar to the polygon XYZL, okay? Here, AP, the corresponding angle A, the corresponding angle from angle A is angle X, and the corresponding angle for measure A is angle X, and corresponding angle for angle D is angle L. The corresponding angle for angle C is angle Z, and the corresponding angle for angle B is angle Y. And I said what? I said the corresponding side lengths are proportional. The corresponding side lengths here, like AB, corresponding side for it, X, Y. So AB over XY equal BC to what? To YZ equal CD to ZL. Also equal AD to XL, okay? That's the meaning of corresponding side lengths are proportional. Also equal the perimeter of the first figure, perimeter of the polygon ABCD over the perimeter of the figure XYZL, okay? Now, for example, or the first we have marks here. The first one, the first remark, if the constant ratio is greater than 1. Greater than what is the meaning of it? The polygon P1 is enlargement to polygon P2. But if the constant ratio is less than 1, less than 1 means that the polygon P1 is in minimization or minimizing of the polygon P2. But if the constant ratio is equal to 1, I mean what? I mean the polygon P1 is congruent to polygon P2, okay? Now, Remark number 2. In order two polygons are similar, I mean the two conditions should be verified together, and verifying one of them only, that's enough to be similar, okay? Like I said before. And for example here, the rectangle and the square. Each corresponding angles are equal in measure, each one equal 90 degrees. But the corresponding side lenses not are proportional, okay? And remark 3, all regular polygons of the same number of sides are similar. Like what? Like all squares. All squares are similar, okay? All squares are similar. Now, for the example, in the opposite figure, ABCD, similar to the figure, XYZL. I need to calculate measure of angle CPCD. Okay. Here I said what? ABCD similar to the figure XYZL. Okay, so measure of angle A equal measure of angle X. A equal X, and measure of angle P equal measure of angle Y. Y equal measure of angle B. Measure of angle C equal measure of angle Z. So measure of angle C here equal 70 degrees also, okay? Number 2, find the length of XL and the enlargement ratio. I said what? The two figures here are similar. So the corresponding side lenses are proportional. So I can write AD over AD over XL equal DC equal Z over ZL. Okay. Now equals what? Equals also the perimeter of the first polygon APCD over the perimeter of the second polygon XYZL. By substitute the values of ABCD, LZ in this statement, we get AD equals 10 centimeter, XL, I need to find this length, DC equal 8 centimeter, ZL equal 4 centimeter. Okay, so XL equal 5 centimeter. Also, the ratio of enlargement equal what? Equal DC over LZ equal 8 over 4 equal 2. Or 2 to 1, because its ratio to the enlargement ratio equals 2 or 2 to 1. Okay, now in the third required, I need to find the perimeter of the figure ABCD. ABCD equal 26 centimeter. I need to find the perimeter of the figure XYZL. Okay, so you can write the perimeter of APCD over the perimeter of XYZL equal the enlargement ratio equal 2. So the perimeter of this figure equal 26. So 26 over the perimeter of figure XYZL equal 2. Then the perimeter of this figure equal 26 over 2 equals 13 centimeter. Okay. Now, the second part here is the similarity of two triangles. The two triangles are similar if only one of the two polygons conditions is verified, okay? Sorry. The first one, the measure of their corresponding angles are equal, and also their lengths of their corresponding sides are proportional. For example, here, in the opposite figure, AD parallel to PC AD equal 4 centimeter, BC equal 8 centimeter, ED equal 2 centimeter. The first required here, I need to prove that the triangle AED is similar to the triangle CEB. Okay, I need to verify any conditions of the previous conditions. So the first given here, AD parallel to CB. Okay, from the prism I have measure of angle D equal measure of angle P. Okay, alternate angles, and here therefore since AD parallel with PC, therefore measure of angle D equal measure of angle P, alternate angles, and also measure of angle A equal measure of angle C, alternate angles also. Okay, and also measure of angle AED equal measure of angle CEB. CEB equal measure of angle DEA, vertically opposite angles. Therefore, the triangle AED is similar to the triangle CEB. Clear? In the second required, I need to find the perimeter of the triangle ABC. Okay, from the I proved that the triangle AED similar to the triangle CEB. Then the corresponding side lengths are proportional. So AE over CE equals ED over ED equals AD over CB. Okay. Also here, I need to find the perimeter of the triangle ABC equal also perimeter of the triangle AED over the perimeter of the triangle CEB. Okay. Okay, so here the perimeter of the triangle AED equals 3 plus 4, 7 plus 2 equals 9. 9 over the perimeter of CEB equal any of the given ratios. AD here equal what? Equal 4 centimeter over CB equal 8 centimeter. Okay, you can make the cross multiplication to find the perimeter of the triangle ABC. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.